Hi friends! Today we're going to read Still a Gorilla, and it's written by Kim Norman. So let's see what this is about. Something tells me it's about a gorilla. Very good. We'll do lots of signs in this. So here we are at the zoo. So it's a Z-O-O. You just kind of drag your O across. The zoo. And it looks like this little guy right here, oh there he is, his name is Willie. And as you can see, Willie is a gorilla. Here he is. So you thump on your chest like a gorilla. Though Willie, it appears, would like to be something else. Okay. Maybe a lion. See how you like the big mane of hair? I think it deserves some sound effects. If Willie strides outside and roars with pride, will Willie be a lion? Let's see, will he? You can try it. No, he's still a gorilla. He's cute. What about a walrus? A walrus, either like their tusks. Oh, there it is. Sorry, I had a little low. Okay, took two hands up. Okay, what about a walrus? If Willie's teeth grow wrong or a foot too long, will Willie be a walrus? Will he? I don't know. No, friends. Look what he's got going on here. Okay, no, he's still a gorilla. And he looked like he was using bananas there as his tusks. What a guy. How about a billy goat? So goat, you're going to show the beard of the billy goat and then the horns. Okay? So oh yeah, we did that. How about a billy goat? If Willie chews on crates or headbutts gates, will Willie be a billy goat? Will he? I don't know. There he is. Getting ready to headbutt something. Cute. No, he's still a gorilla. Perhaps he'll be an alligator. Alligator, you show their jaw. If Willie creeps and chomps in slimy swamps, will Willie be an alligator? Let's find out. Will he? Oh, Willie. No, he's still a gorilla. Very cute. So cute. Look at all the cute pictures. Maybe a kangaroo. So you show your kind of hopping like a kangaroo. If Willie thumps and jumps over plum trees, will Willie be a kangaroo? Will he? No, Willie. He's still a gorilla. This book is cute. Well, how about this? What if Willie roars and grows? There we have the lion and the walrus, two hands though. Or chews and butts, the goat. Creeps and chomps, the alligator. And thumps and jumps like a kangaroo, all at the same time. Will Willie be silly? Yes. Like your head nods. Yes, Willie will be silly. Very silly and still a gorilla. Still a gorilla. That one was so cute. Still a gorilla. Great. Thanks for joining us.